geobyte.
Dear students, now let us discuss the previous year questions for the very important and easy unit, that is motion in one dimension. Okay, I hope all of you clearly understood all the theory concepts what we discussed for motion in one dimension. Understood or not? Yes. Then let us take the very first problem. Look at the problem asking like this: a particle is moving in a straight line. The variation of position x as a function of time. Look at the position given in terms of the time factor. Position x equal to t cube minus 6t square plus 20t plus 15, and this distance is given in meter. Okay. The velocity of the body when its acceleration becomes zero. What is the velocity? Velocity v equal to how much? When the condition, acceleration, when acceleration of the particle a equal to 0. Okay. Okay. For that, first let us decide the velocity. As we all know, velocity v equal to dx by dt. Let us simplify it. Equal to d by dt, x value given t cube minus 6t square plus 20t plus 50. Simplify this value. It is equal to 3t square minus 12t plus 20. Okay, that is the velocity. It is in meter per second. Okay, let us take another slide. You got velocity v equal to, look at the velocity, 3t square minus 12t, 3t square minus 12t plus 20. Okay, then what is the acceleration? Acceleration a equal to dv by dt. It is equal to d by dt, v equal to 3t square minus 12t plus 20. So this is the acceleration. Let us simplify this value. It is equal to 60, simple mathematics, minus 12. So this is the acceleration. It is asking what is the velocity when acceleration is 0. If acceleration is 0, acceleration a equal to 0, it means 60 minus 12 equal to 0. Right? 60 equal to 12. T equal to 12 by 6, that is equal to 2 seconds. That is the time for the acceleration a equal to 0. Then look at the velocity. Here velocity v equal to 3t square minus 12t plus 20. It is equal to 3 into t is 2 seconds, 2 square minus 12t equal to 2, 12 into 2 plus 20. It is equal to 12 minus 24 plus 20. 12 plus otherwise 12 minus 24 minus 12 plus 20. 20 minus 12 is 8. 8 meter per second. That is the velocity when acceleration is becoming 0. Look at the options. Look at the option C. Option C is absolutely correct. Understood clearly? I try to explain each and every point at your understanding level. Okay? Shall I take the next question? Yes. Look at the next problem. It is asking like this. The distance traveled by a particle starting from rest. Starting from rest means initial velocity u equal to 0 and moving with an acceleration. Acceleration is given 4 by 3 meter per second square. In the third second, that means nth second, n equal to 3. As you know, the distance traveled by the body in the nth second equal to u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. That is the distance traveled by the body in the nth second. Then distance traveled by the in the third second equal to. Anyhow, since the body is traveling with rest, therefore u equal to 0. It is equal to a by 2 into 2n minus 1. Here n equal to 3. It is equal to a 4 by 3 into 2. 2 into n is 3 minus 1. Simplify this value. It is 4 by 6. 4 by 6 into 6 minus 1. It is equal to 4 by 6 into 5. Right? 5. Then it can be written. It can be written 2 3 times. 2 2 times. 2 into 5, 10. 10 by 3 meters. That is the distance traveled by the body in the third second. 10 by 3 meter per second. Look at the option C. Option C is absolutely correct. Okay? Yes. Similarly, let us take the another important problem. Look at this problem. Asking like this. A passenger sitting in a train A, moving at 90 km per hour, observes another train B moving in the opposite direction. Let us say the train A is moving in this direction with a velocity VA equal to 90 kmph, kilometer per hour. Other train is moving in this direction. This is the train B moving with a velocity. Look at the velocity of the train and the B. Velocity of the B is 54 kilometer per hour. Okay. Next. So anyhow, a passenger sitting in a train A moving at a speed 90 km per hour observes another train moving B moving in the opposite direction for 8 seconds. Time T equal to 8 seconds. Okay, velocity of the train be given. What is the length of the train B? You are asked to decide length of train B. Length of train B equal to how much? For that, let us decide the velocity of the A and B in meter per second. Velocity of the A 90 into 5 by 18. It is in meter per second. It is 18 5 times. 5 into 5 25 meter per second. Velocity of the B equal to 54 into 5 by 18. 18 3 times. 3 into 5 15 meter per second. So velocity of the train A is 25 meter per second. Velocity of the train B 15 meter per second. Now let us find the relative velocity. That is velocity of train B with respect to train A. That is VB minus VA. Right? VA and VB both are opposite. Therefore, it is indirectly VB minus of minus VA. So it is equal to indirectly VB plus VA. VB, look at the VB. VB equal to 15, VA equal to 25. 15 plus 25, it is equal to 40 meter per second. That is the relative velocity. Okay. This relative velocity, this is the relative velocity. Therefore, relative velocity, it means velocity of the train B with respect to A equal to length of the train B length of train B dividing by the time taken. Here, relative velocity 40 equal to length of the train B, let it be LB, by time is 8 seconds. Therefore, length of the train B equal to 40 into 8, that is equal to 320 meters. That is the length of the train B. Look at the options. Look at the option D. Option D is absolutely correct. Understood clearly? Yes.
Geobyte.